Hi, hello again. This is another video, just kind of getting you a little bit organized, hopefully for this course. Those of you that had me before know I'm a stickler and I love when things are organized. It's one of my pet peeves when they're not. So we're going to look at how to kind of organize your computer a little bit, as well as saving and turning in work, because I'm going to ask you to do it in kind of a specific format. So hopefully you guys know how to get here by clicking on the little thumbnail towards the bottom of your screen. And an easy place to always go is My Documents. Here, you guys, I have no idea what even half of this is, but create a folder, maybe the 2020 school year. Right? So you have your 2020 school year. This is where all your work for this year is going to go. Because one of the things that's really going to help you out a lot in Canvas and learning online is making sure your work is accurately saved. A ton of people, whether it's this school or other schools, seem to turn in a lot of blank work because they turn in what they download, not the work that they actually do. So in here, go ahead and put some of your folders. So maybe you have me for Earth Science. I'm sure everyone in here has an English class, right? You can set it up by class this way. Oh, don't tell anybody I spelled that wrong. All right, so when you're in your Earth Science class, you can even do it a little bit further. So maybe like week 1. So this would be August 17th through the 21st. You may even put that in here. Maybe that'll help you out. If you don't like doing it that way, our first unit is Unit 0. So anything that's kind of introductory, put in here, and you know that's the work that you can turn in up through the assessment. All right. And I would go from there. So I'm going to close out of this, and we're going to go into Canvas and download something to save. I'm going to go into my Earth Science class again. I'm going to stay in teacher view because these aren't open quite yet for some of you guys. So there's one here, like your guided notes packet, that you're going to have to download. So when you click on the link, it will eventually download in the corner. Before you do any typing, don't get overwhelmed, this is for the whole unit. Hit the download button, and you're going to go back to the folder that you just made. So Documents, the 2020 school year, Earth Science, this is your Unit 0 notes. And here is where I'm going to hold up for a moment. This is what I've titled the form or the note packet online. At the very beginning, I want you guys to put your name. That way, when I'm downloading 10, 20, 30 of these at a time, I can sort out whose is whose with your name on it. So this is the e-learning way of putting your name on your paper. So in this case, my name is Shauna Peterson. I'm going to put my last name first. You can put a space or an underscore. I'm going to put my first name because some of us have repeating last names. This way, when I download it as a teacher, I can pull up whose it is, even if you forget to type your name in on the actual assignment. All right? I'm going to hit save, and it's saved. So I'm going to close out of this for a second. I'm going to show you where it has saved, so you know I'm not a liar. Earth Science, Unit 0, it's right here. And it's going to open up on my screen. Where you're going to see some assignments like this, they're PDFs, which normally you can't write in, but I've made it so that you can. And then after a while, you can hit save. It'll save it for you. And then what you would do, unfortunately I can't get really into it, is you're going to come back to Canvas, and up here where you see the teacher where I can edit it and things like that, you're going to have a submit assignment button. And then that will be able to tell you that this is the button you click, and then you're going to go to your My Documents or Science class folder, and you're going to upload this when you're ready to turn it in. Okay? Another thing that I think is going to be helpful, I'm actually going to pull up the notes that go along with that packet. Oops, I don't have them pulled up, so I apologize. I'm going to pull up a different PowerPoint just to work with this. This is for my AP class, so you might end up seeing this one really soon. Alright, this one I want to talk to you a little bit about split screen. So this is where you're going to grab, have anything open that you want to see at the same exact time. So like I want my PowerPoints and my notes. So you're going to grab this and hold on to it. Do not let go. Do not let go. And you're going to drag it to one of the sides of your computer. And when you see it kind of fill up like that, you're going to let go. Then it's going to ask you what you want to be on this other half. I want my note packet so I can take my notes. All right. So now I can have my PowerPoint over here and scroll through, and then I can take my notes at the same time. This also might be helpful if we're in a Teams meeting as well. So please utilize your split screen. The very last thing I just want to mention, we have a lot of English language learners here that are still working on learning English, whether it's Spanish or French. We've had so many languages here. Please, I can't think and type at the same time. Go into Google Translate. If you're having trouble with any work and it's something I can't translate for you, you can copy and paste, you can upload documents and things like that, and it'll help kind of, it might not be the best translation, but it'll help you out there. And I think that's it for this video. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know.